fascinating stories, the scenic scenes, and the bright, colorful culture are beautiful revelations that will make every wandering soul feel blessed. Cool winds, fresh funds, and peaceful environment. These are the gifts this destination is proud to share to the world. Be in touch with Earth in this beautiful place within Labrador.
Simple lang ang buhay ng mga taga-Labrador.
From the grains came the sweet little treat the locals of this peaceful town adore. Produktong kinikilala din sa iba pang mga bayan. I'm Joanne, your momshi traveler. Let's get to know the miracles of St. Isidore as we discover the beauty of this coastal municipality dito sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan.